Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna find the length of a missing segment using similar triangles. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. So they asked me, in the figure above, the segment BE is parallel to segment CD. What is the length of AC? They are asking me about the length from here to here. How could I find this? First of all, I'm like I said is the title of the video, I'm gonna use similar triangles to find AC. I could use other method like Thales or any other method, but I'm going to use similar triangles to find the length of the segment AC. First of all, we have CD parallel to BE. That means both of them are perpendicular to AC because CD is already perpendicular to line segment AC. So BE should also be perpendicular. Now I have uh, angle ABE is equal measure of angle ABE is equal to 90 degrees. That means I can apply Pythagorean theorem for inside this triangle. And if I applied it, it will give me that square AE square is equal to BE square plus AB square. Okay. AE square is 15 to the power of 2. I plug in the value of AE. Now BE square is 12 square plus AB. I'm going to find it. Is 15 square is 225, 144 plus AB square. I could write it as AB square plus 144 is equal to 225. AB square is 225 minus 154. AB square is equal to 81. That means AB is equal to square root of 81. AB is equal to 9. I found AB. Now, the triangle A I should erase this. Now, the triangle ABE is similar to ACD because I have measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle A, and angle B is equal to angle C. Both of them are right triangle. That means what? If I have two right angle, if I have two equal angles in both sides of the triangle, that means those two triangles are similar. Okay, and this will help me finding a ratio. What is the ratio here? The ratio will be AB over AC is equal to AE over AD is equal to BE over CD. I plug in whatever value I have, like AB, I found it before. AC, I'm searching for it. AE is equal to 15. AD, I don't have. And then BE is 12 and CD is 36. So the ratio that I'm gonna use is 9 over AC is equal to 12 over 36. That means AC is 3 times 9 is 27, but I could do 9 times 36 over 12. I could simplify 12 and 36. It will be 9. I would simplify 12 and 36 by 12. 12 divided by 12, it will be 1. 36 divided by 12, it will be 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So the length of the segment AC is going to be 27 from A to C. How did I find this ratio? Like when I put it in order, ABE, the triangle ABE similar to triangle ACD. When I put every equal angle corresponding to the equal angle inside the other triangle, I will put A over A, B over C, because both of them are equal to each other. AE, below E I should put